What is the benefit of snake plant? Is snake plant good for house? Is snake plant poisonous? Do snake plant need sunlight? There are answers to all your questions. All you need to do is do not skip the video and watch till the end. Hello friends, welcome to my new YouTube channel Outdoor Greens and English. Today we are going to talk about the plant which is originated from Asia and Africa. This plant is commonly referred to as mother-in-law's tongue and is a resilient succulent that can grow anywhere between 6 inches to several heights. It is recognized by its evergreen sword-shaped leaves. Snake plants are often used as home decor since they are pleasing to the eye and are easy to care for and require little water to survive. We are talking about snake plant, and the unique thing about the plant is it inhales carbon dioxide throughout the days and nights. It filters indoor air even at night. Snake plants are also known for its ability to help remove toxic air pollutants, and also it is observed that it eliminates negative energies. And if I talk about leaves, they are also used for applying in cuts and wounds. It will surely benefit you. There are varieties of snake plants named bird's nest, cylinder snake, laurenti, twisted, rhinograph, sansevieria deserti. It has almost more than 70 varieties. This plant is a must grow house plant because it is low maintenance and requires little attention to grow. If you're planning to buy a snake plant, there are a couple of things you need to keep in mind. That are, don't overwater the plant. Place the plant in a well drained pot to avoid overwatering because more water causes root rot. Indirect sunlight is best for plant, though it can grow in darker corners or bright sunlight, but the plant may not come out as a perfectly healthy plant. If we talk about propagation, there are not only easy to care but to multiply even. Just follow these steps. First, cut off a healthy leaf and make a V cut, then place the leaf in a clean jar of water. Allow the water level slightly above the V cut. Once the roots have started to form within 3 to 5 weeks, you can transfer it to soil pot. At the end, I would love to give you some takeaways. Snake plants are proven to be useful as they are visually appealing. They can grow indoors and outdoors with little to no maintenance. And what's more, snake plant can also help filter indoor air, a quality that can keep you safe, healthy. Consider adding a snake plant to your homes for both aesthetic and health reasons. I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care and plan more.